Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and here I am once again with your Ielts speaking self-assessment. Now in this video, I'm going to tell you how to assess yourselves for your speaking. There is a complete questionnaire which I'm going to share with you, and with the help of this questionnaire, you can get to know where you stand in Ielts speaking. So this is a self-assessment questionnaire and there are three options. One is yes, second is moderate, third is no. There are certain things, if you do that, then write yes. If it depends, then write moderate, and if you don't do it at all, then write no. I have shared this in my pinned comment, so you should take a print of it. Especially IELTS teachers can make this questionnaire compulsory for IELTS candidates. I mean, you can understand where they stand. So number one is I use a wide range of vocabulary. Now you got to see whether the answer is yes, moderate or no. I use a range of appropriate expressions to extend the topic, whether it is yes or moderate or no. I can successfully clarify the meaning by paraphrasing when confronted with an unfamiliar term. Unfamiliar term means a difficult word or you don't know appropriate word, and still you can paraphrase that. I use a good range of grammatical forms with ease. Now what's the answer? Yes, moderate, no. So if your answers are yes, you'll be getting good bands. If your answers are moderate, you'll be getting a moderate band. If your answers are no, you'll be getting low bands. I use tenses accurately. Yes, moderate or no. You can complete this form. I speak fluently without hesitation. And by the way, this is going to give you a list of things to improve. Now for example, I speak fluently without hesitation. If the answer is no, now this is your weak area. The purpose of this questionnaire is to tell you about your strengths and your weaknesses. So you must be familiar. Again I say, being a candidate, you need to take this questionnaire, and IELTS teachers, IELTS trainers must conduct this questionnaire in the class to tell the students about their strengths and about their weaknesses. Rather, teachers can fill this assessment form for each student and give them, and then tell them these are the weaknesses and strengths you have. Well, I speak at a reasonable pace and in a smooth manner. Yes, moderate, no. I speak coherently. Alright, I pronounce individual words clearly with appropriate stress. Yes, moderate, no. I use sentence stress and intonation patterns appropriately. Yes, moderate, no. I present my points in a very clear and logical manner. I give appropriate, relevant and clever answers. Yes, it's your strength. Moderate, it's neither your strength nor your weakness, you need to work out. And no means this is your weakness. I can develop an argument by pointing out both positive and negative aspects of the topic. Next, I use connecting words to join my answers. I have taught you many connecting words. I use various functions to develop my ideas, for example, comparing and contrasting. 16. I can use thinking time techniques well to give myself time to organize my thoughts. I can move between formal and less more formal expression without any problems. I use a range of sentence structure, mixing simple sentences. Right? If the answer is yes, that's your strength. If the answer is moderate, you need to work out. If the answer is no, that is your weakness. I manage my time efficiently. Okay. And the last 20th, I don't overgeneralize. That's all. Thank you very much. So this is self-assessment template. There is a questionnaire, and if you are individual, if you are just relying upon my videos, you should do this on your own. Otherwise, you can give it to your teachers and they will just solve it for you, and you'll get to know where you stand, what is your strength and what is your weakness. Then your weaknesses should come to your strengths and you'll be able to get a good bench score. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to download this questionnaire and print it out and do it practically. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. I also offer IELTS writing correction service. There I correct your essays, reports, letters. So if you want to get further information about IELTS writing correction service, my number is given. You can contact me for that. Don't forget to subscribe my this channel Asad Yaqub and my other channel Asad Yaqub Vlogs. I have 2 channels only. Thank you very much. Asad Yaqub wishes you a fantastic band score in IELTS speaking. May you pass with flying colors. May you get your required bands, rather more than your required bands. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.